Today we will be testing the NSDT HAMA candles indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the NSDT HAMA candles indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 918 indicators, with 382 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 107 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain their winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now, if you're interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are testing the NSDT HAMA candles indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so a very quick kind of explanation of the indicator is that it's using a moving average, and it is using the Heiken Ashi candles to kind of display when the best kind of trend is taking place in the market. And now the source video that I got this indicator from claimed that this new Heiken Ashi indicator would allow you to take basically all winning trades, or the majority of the trades being winning trades, in the usual kind of talk about the particular indicators. And so like usual, I figure we would put it to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we are looking for is when we get the green coloration in the candles themselves. And now there is kind of a shade of kind of a rainbow of colors, if you will, that takes place as it's turning from the red to the green and from the green to the red. And so but you can kind of clearly see when it switches from an orange color to a red color, and when it switches from a yellow color to a green color. Even though those the red isn't that dark and the green isn't kind of that vibrant, but you can kind of see that. And so that's kind of what we're looking for, is when that switch takes place in the coloration. And so when we get green candles, that's going to be a signal to go long. When we get red candles, that's going to be a signal to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get that change in the coloration. It goes from being green here, switches to that yellowish color there, then orange, and then into the red. And you can see that we make a really nice push to the downside here. That does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the next signal that we pick up is a long signal. Again, you can see that we get that shift in the color from the red into the yellow and then into the green. We get a little bit of a pullback right here, kind of getting close to our stop, but it is able to avoid it before it then makes this nice spike to the upside here, which would have gotten us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Now really, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get this scroll back. Alright, let's go ahead and count these out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 winning trades. And so all in all, a pretty solid indicator. I definitely wish you gave more trades within the 1 year's time, but 6 isn't too bad. And it does look like anytime we got a shift in trend, it was definitely catching that shift. A little bit late sometimes, but still catching the shift nonetheless. Even on some of these smaller ones, it was still catching that trend shift there. And so we're gonna put this one on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.